Hey truck lovers! Whether you're hauling gear, hitting the trails, or just want to make your ride smarter and more comfortable, this video's for you. Today, we're counting down 20 awesome pickup truck gadgets you should definitely buy in 2025. From clever organizers to powerful tools, these accessories will make driving easier, safer, and way more fun. And don't worry, we've got all the Amazon links listed in the description, so you can check them out anytime. Let's dive right in and upgrade your truck experience. Number 1. Fangor Tablet Holder. Keep your passengers entertained on long rides with the Fangor Tablet Holder. It securely attaches to the back of your headrest and fits most tablets up to 12 inches. The 360-degree rotation lets passengers adjust their viewing angle for maximum comfort. Perfect for road trips, family drives, or truckers who carry passengers often. Built with sturdy materials and easy installation, it's a must-have gadget for your pickup's back seat. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. Number 2. Hotor Trash. Tired of your truck turning into a trash zone? The Hotor Trash Can is your cleanup hero. It comes with a waterproof lining, side storage pockets, and an adjustable strap for easy mounting anywhere in your truck. Its leak-proof design ensures no messy spills, and it can double as a storage bag when needed. Keep your cabin fresh and organized every day. Click the link below to check the latest price. Number 3. Serdaka Upgraded Backseat Organizer. If you love order in your pickup, this Serdaka Backseat Organizer is your new best friend. It's made from durable Oxford cloth and features multiple compartments for tools, snacks, gadgets, and more. It installs easily and keeps your essentials within reach. Say goodbye to cluttered seats and hello to a tidy cabin. Perfect for work trucks or family haulers. Check it out through the link in the description. Number 4. Joy Tutu's Universal Rear View Mirror. Boost your visibility with the Joy Tutu's Universal Rear View Mirror. This wide-angle mirror reduces blind spots and provides a clearer view of what's behind your truck. The anti-glare coating helps during night drives, and its easy clip-on installation makes it compatible with almost any model. Whether you're towing or driving in traffic, this gadget adds extra safety to every trip. Grab it from the link in the description. Number 5. Lumiteco Dual Head Tire Pressure Gauge. Never risk underinflated tires again. The Lumiteco Dual Head Tire Pressure Gauge gives you quick, accurate readings. Perfect for trucks with dual tires. The metal construction ensures durability, and its glow-in-the-dark dial helps with nighttime use. Maintaining proper tire pressure boosts fuel efficiency and extends tire life. Check the description for the link and keep your tires in top shape. Let's keep rolling. The next few gadgets will make your truck even more functional and road-ready. Number 6. Hotor Car Truck Trash Can. Yes, another Hotor trash can, but this upgraded version is built especially for trucks. It's larger, leak-proof, and includes reinforced side clips to stay put even on bumpy roads. The lid design keeps odors contained, making it ideal for long hauls or off-road adventures. Hit the link below to keep your truck spotless. Number 7. Sard Visa Air Blow. Gun clean your truck in seconds with the Sard Visa Air Blow gun. Perfect for clearing out dust, debris, or water from tight spots. This tool connects to your air compressor for powerful cleaning. The extended nozzle and ergonomic design make it efficient and easy to handle. Great for detailing or engine maintenance. Grab this handy gadget from the link below. Number 8. Amis Trunk Storage Net. Stop your gear from rolling around with the Amis Trunk Storage Net. It's elastic, durable, and perfect for holding groceries, tools, or small equipment in place. Easy to install and universally compatible, it helps you keep your truck bed or cargo area organized and safe from shifting loads. Find it in the description to make your bed storage hassle-free. Number 9. Myonal Windshield Cleaner Tool. Struggling to clean your windshield's hard-to-reach corners? The Myonal Windshield Cleaner Tool has your back. Its extendable handle and microfiber pads let you clean both inside and outside your windshield easily. No streaks, no effort, just crystal clear visibility every time. Check the description for details. Number 10. Sodence Fast Phone Charger. Keep your devices charged on the go with the Sodence Fast Charger. It offers dual USB ports with smart recognition, ensuring quick and safe charging for your smartphone or GPS device. Compact, sleek, and reliable, it's a small gadget that makes a big difference on long drives. Links in the description. Don't miss out. If you're loving these upgrades, stay tuned. The next 10 will make your pickup feel brand new. Number 11. Just Top Steering Wheel Desk. Turn your truck into a mobile office with the Just Top Steering Wheel Desk. It's lightweight, portable, and clips easily onto your steering wheel. Perfect for eating, writing, or working during breaks. The dual-sided design offers one flat surface for laptops and one for meals. Truck drivers absolutely love this one. Check it out through the link below. Number 12. Minseji LED Interior RGB Lights. Give your pickup interior a modern vibe with Minseji LED RGB lights. These plug-and-play strips sync with your music and can be controlled via remote or app. Choose from multiple colors to match your mood or truck style. Great for late-night drives or showing off your custom setup. Click the link in the description to light up your ride. Number 13. Amazon Basics Emergency Window Hammer. Safety first. The Amazon Basics Emergency Window Hammer can literally save lives. It features a double-sided steel hammerhead for breaking glass and a built-in seatbelt cutter for emergencies. Compact enough to fit in your glove box, yet sturdy when needed most. Grab one for your truck today. Link below. Number 14. Lysen Magnetic Phone Holder. Meet the Lysen Magnetic Phone Holder, your hands-free driving solution. It offers a powerful magnetic grip, adjustable viewing angles, and easy one-hand operation. Whether you're following GPS directions or taking calls, this holder keeps your phone steady, even on rough roads. Find it in the description and make driving safer. Number 15. Super One USB-C Fast Charger. Charge your devices faster than ever with the Super One USB-C Fast Charger. Equipped with PD and QC 3.0 ports, it delivers lightning-fast power for smartphones, tablets, and dash cams. Built-in protection ensures no overheating or overcharging. It's the ideal power upgrade for any truck driver. Check the link below for more details. We're down to the final stretch, and trust me, these last few gadgets are game changers for your pickup truck lifestyle. Number 16. Kiturek Rear Camera License Plate Bracket. Enhance your rear visibility with the Kiturek Rear Camera License Plate Bracket. It's a clever mount that lets you install a backup camera seamlessly onto your license plate. Made of durable metal, it's corrosion resistant and provides a clean factory look. A must-have for safer reversing and parking. Grab yours through the link in the description. Number 17. Yoyar Sunglass Holder. Keep your shades safe with the Yoyar Sunglass Holder. This clip attaches to your sun visor and holds your sunglasses firmly without scratching them. It can also hold cards or small papers, keeping your essentials tidy and easy to grab while driving. Links in the description. Check it out now. Number 18. Armalab CD Slot Mount. Don't use your cup holder for your phone. Upgrade to the Armalab X CD slot mount instead. It fits securely into your old CD slot and provides adjustable angles for hands-free navigation. With its sturdy grip and 360-degree rotation, it's perfect for trucks with limited dash space. Click the link to make your drive safer and smarter. Number 19. Accurate X Travel Sleeping Pillow. Long drive ahead. The Accurate X Travel Sleeping Pillow provides ultimate neck support during rest breaks. Its ergonomic shape and memory foam comfort make it ideal for truckers who spend hours on the road. Comes with a washable cover and compact storage bag. Check the description to get yours today. Number 20. Augeni Car Interior Atmosphere USB Lamp. Wrap up your truck setup with the Augeni USB Atmosphere Lamp. Just plug it into any USB port, and it projects soft ambient lighting, perfect for creating a cozy cabin at night. Great for mood lighting or just adding a stylish touch to your interior. Links in the description. Light up your truck now. And there you have it. 20 amazing pickup truck gadgets that'll make 2025 your best driving year yet. From smarter storage and better lighting to life-saving tools and charging solutions, these accessories are designed to make your truck more comfortable, efficient, and stylish. If you found something you like, don't forget, all the Amazon links are listed right below. Hit that like button, subscribe for more gadget reviews, and tell us in the comments which one you're adding to your truck first. Thanks for watching, and drive safe out there.